Hello students, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to talk about the most famous branch in science, that is engineering. Okay, in this video we will cover what is engineering, how to get admitted in engineering, and some types of colleges in which you may get the admission. Students, you all know there are many branches in engineering. We might know only about 5-6 branches like electronics, computer, mechanical. These are the common branches, but there are more than 100 branches in engineering. Now, to get admitted in any engineering, you have to first complete your 11th and 12th through science, and afterwards you have options to give the entrance examination. Out of that, the first all India level examination is the JEE, Joint Entrance Examination in Engineering. In JEE, there are two types, JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Previously, the names were AIEEE and IIT JEE. Now it is called as JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. To give the JEE Advanced examination, what you need is you should have physics, chemistry and mathematics in your class 12. You should have at least more than 75% marks in PCM, and then you can appear for this examination. The marks criteria etc. it may change every year, so you better check it in the brochure. Now in JEE Mains, if you give this examination and if you crack this examination, there is a second part, that is JEE Advanced. And second examination for state level people, it is the MHT CET. MHT is for Maharashtra state. Every state has their own CET cell and they conduct their own examinations. Okay. Now, if you talk about these examinations, JEE Main, it has 90 questions, 30, 30, 30 of physics, chemistry and mathematics. The marks, what you get in that, there is a negative marking, means if it goes negative, it goes wrong, negative marks will be there, means your marks will be deducted. Once you complete the JEE Mains examination, you get chance to get appeared to JEE Advanced examination. Normally every year, first 2.2 lakh students who appear, out of that first 2.2 lakh student, they are declared as they have cleared the JEE Mains examination and they get chance to appear for JEE Advanced examination. Similarly, second examination is MHT CET. This examination is applicable for engineering as well as pharmacy in Maharashtra state. Okay. Now, if you give MHT CET examination, comparatively it is a little bit simple. There is no negative marking. It is again based on physics, chemistry and mathematics. For physics and chemistry, there are 100 marks, and for mathematics there are 100 marks. Now, through these examinations and based on your merit, you get admission to any of the colleges either all over India or in the particular state. We will go through the colleges one by one. The most famous and most prestigious college in engineering in India are the IITs, Indian Institute of Technologies. The first IIT formed was the IIT Kharagpur and then IIT Bombay, and later many IITs were formed. Right now more than 25 IITs are working in India. Some are working in the with full branches, some have limited branches, but yes, there are plenty of chance you can get admission in IIT. Now what you should have to get admitted in IIT is you should clear JEE Advanced examination. Means first you have to clear the JEE Mains, then you have to go for JEE Advanced, and then on the basis of marks of JEE Advanced you get admission in IIT based on your merit in any IIT as well as to any desired branch. Okay. After IIT, the second most prestigious college we can call it as NITs, National Institute of Technologies. In IIT, out of all the IITs in Maharashtra, there is one IIT, IIT Bombay. Okay. Similarly, in Bombay itself or in Mumbai, there is NIT institution, National Institute of Technology, and there is another NIT in Maharashtra, that is in Nagpur. To get admitted in NIT, you don't need JEE Advanced. What you need is only JEE Mains marks. Means based on JEE Mains, if you are not able to go through JEE Advanced but your JEE Mains marks are good, you can get admission to NIT. Then afterwards, recently the IIT system has been reformed and some new colleges are introduced called as IIIT, that is triple IT, Indian Institute of Information Technology, which will carry only the branches related to IT, that is computer, IT, electronics etc. There won't be branches like mechanical or civil in triple ITs. One triple IT is there in Pune in Maharashtra. So these are the some prestigious colleges which are totally owned and totally run by the government. Then there are some autonomous colleges. Autonomous colleges have their own scheme, their own syllabus, their own system. There are some prestigious colleges like COEP in Pune, VJTI in Mumbai, Walchand in Sangli. These are some autonomous colleges. Even there are some autonomous private colleges also. Okay, so these colleges, they have their own system, and to get marks in these autonomous colleges in Maharashtra, what you should have is either JEE Mains or MST CET. For this first three, the admissions are done through JEE Mains only, but afterwards you can get admission through MST CET examination also. After autonomous colleges, all the universities, for example Pune University, Kolhapur University, every university has their own department. It is called as Department of Technology. This department, they also give you admissions based on the CET examination. Some part can be reserved for JEE Mains, but mostly it is through MST CET examination only. And finally, there are some private colleges run by the private organizations, but there are many prestigious colleges in private category also. So in these colleges, if you want to get admitted, you can go through MST CET as well as JEE Mains. So this is the overview of engineering, their examinations and the categories of colleges. Now depending on your requirement, depending on your branch, you can go through their websites, you can go through their rankings, and then you can choose your college accordingly. But remember, to get admission, the only thing you need is the merit. You should get good marks in this JEE Mains and CET examinations to get admission. Thank you.